To session 114. We're going to dive in here. We're doing stuff completely different now. As you guys know, we are diversifying a lot of the Mogul Fellows brand into other asset classes. We'll see if it works. Otherwise, we'll go back to concentrating on stocks. Obviously, we started with the stock market. That's our main source of revenue and profit for this brand. But right now we are trying to diversify into other stuff, and we'll go over that in this video and what we're going to be doing. So right now on the weekly recap, we have now we're doing stuff a little bit differently than normal. Normally we do screenshots, but now we're actually doing actual weekly recap with Excel here. So we'll go over this right here. There's also some stuff, I posted this yesterday. There are some stuff that I added to the Excel sheet that I'll also go over into the Excel sheet here in a bit. So we'll go over this right here. This is what I posted yesterday. Here's our new way of doing the weekly recap. Instead of taking a bunch of screenshots, guys, we are now logging our progress on Excel. This past week, we had a total Mogul Fellows value of 66,63956, guys. We added more asset classes to the brand, such as Mogul Mining, Mogul Collectibles, and Mogul Real Estate. I think we will soon add Mogul Merch as well, guys. We're in the process of doing all this. This is pretty much our vision for 2026 to try and diversify into other asset classes. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if, it's a good move, or if we'll come back just to focus on, stocks and crypto. We need to make some changes to Mogul Merge before adding. This week we cash flowed 113. We'll dive into these two screenshots here in a moment. This was mainly our cover call on our NVIDIA shares we did last Tuesday. It did not get assigned, so we will do another cover call, which we did today for this Xmas week. We did not take any profits from our Mogul 30 trading portfolio, as there was nothing worth selling. So last week, we are still, down quite a bit on our positions, as we were adding a lot during last couple months. So now we are, these positions that we have are worth buying now. So we are in the process of just buying these at deals until they become profitable again. All right, what else here, guys? So we are currently trying to build up income streams such as our crypto mining on Go Mining, our real estate investing on Arrived, and also to build a good collectibles portfolio on Rally Road, and buying physical collectibles. So a lot of content will be coming for those asset classes that we're going to get into, guys. So right now we added our Tesla Tequila Mezcal to the Mogul Fellows brand that we bought last year for 500. So we are giving Mogul Fellows that for to start the collectible here on Mogul Fellows. So we will see what this is worth in the future to come. So obviously, we bought it for 500. We think, that will eventually, as a limited item, we think that's going to be a lot for the brand in the future. So if we do sell that, or, if, Tesla gets to, a crazy valuation, such as 25 trillion valuation, we will pop that open. But we'll see, guys. We'll see. Obviously the bottle can be worth a lot too. So our asset and cash flow check-ins will evolve over time. We believe this is an easier way to read what the brand is worth and what we focus on. So guys, if we check here, obviously here is our first weekly check-in. This is going to change next year. Obviously, we're going to start over, but we're just giving you an example of what we're going to do here. So obviously we have the cash accounts here. We have Mogul Fellows holdings. We got the stock holdings and crypto. I think we changed that. We're spread it out into Mogul stock holdings and then Mogul crypto holdings. So we have the Mogul 30 at 26, Mogul options we got at 18, Mogul properties we have at 533, just starting that. I think we're in our Stranger Things Airbnb Mogul mining, we have the Go mining, we have the value of the miners, and then we also have the Go mining wallet here, value of that, and then the Mogul collectibles value. So the total assets right here, 66,63956, guys. This is our cash flow, guys. So mainly it was our Mogul options premium profit. That was, so we did a cover call at the 181 strike price, and break even was 182.09 after we had 108.98 premium of last week, guys. So you see that there, 198 premium. We had a dividends of 311, and then we had the Mogul mining profit of $1.38. We'll go over how many satoshis that was. So that is the way we're going to do it now. We're going to go over this every week, and the status of the brand. So let's dive into this now. This is how we're going to do stuff. As you see, we did separate that here, the stock holdings and the crypto holdings, and here's the cash flow. We saw it there, 113.47. Here's the new thing that we added, guys. We added stats. So here are the stats. Discord club members, we have 30 in the Discord. Case studies, we're in 5 case studies, guys. We got our Tesla case study, our Recourse Systems case study, Archer case study, Grab case study, and then our crypto case study. And that will be coming soon to the Discord, guys. We're going to actually just put it into the Discord instead of our website and our VIP website portal. But I think it'll still be there as well. We haven't decided yet. So Mogul 30 P&L year to date, we have 97.9980. Mogul options P&L year to date, we just started this literally like in November, I believe, and we already are up 1,000 here. Subscribers 106. We have YouTube videos 362. YouTube views, we have 164,738 views, guys. And properties invested in, we have 1, the Stranger Things Airbnb. Total crypto miners, we have 1 so far. Don't count we're not counting the one that Go Mining comes with, that you get with Go Mining. Total miners, total terahash accumulated, we have 1596. Total satoshis mined so far is 1,976 satoshis, and that came out to the 138 there, guys. Merch items sold, we are not, we don't count ourselves. We did buy a lot of stuff on our shop, but we don't count ourselves. So no one has bought on our store, guys. So go over to mogulfellas.com if you want to go buy merch. It's obviously going to be just a little side hustle for us, little thing to we're gonna come up with a lot of stuff. We're gonna come up with sayings and stuff on merch, but right now it's mainly just this is actually one example right here. The Tesla bull shirt is on there, and it says "squeeze the shorts" on the back. It's pretty funny. If you guys want to go over mogulfellas.com, check out merch. It's over there. Total collectibles, we have the Tesla Mezcal we bought for 500. We'll obviously do some research on what it's valued at right now. And total collectibles sold, we have none sold right now. We are just starting that. So we'll go over this every week, guys. We'll post it in the Discord, and this is the Excel sheet that we're going to be basing the sessions off of. So now let's go over each department here, guys. So let's go over to here, to SPX. Obviously we see the Santa Claus rally about to rip here soon. We're already seeing signs of the market to really reach this high of 69.20.34. We're at the 68.78.49 level. We could get this above all-time highs before the end of the year, and into the Santa Claus rally that starts the 24th and ends after January 2nd, guys. So we'll see what happens. The Santa Claus rally is in full effect. Total stock, the top 5 stocks that were ripping today. Quantum obviously was ripping. We had INQ up 11%. Rocket Lab, we had up 4.95%. Oracle, we have up 3.44%. Archer, 3.21. And Uber, we have up 2.68. The bottom stocks for today, guys, we had Starbucks down 2.35, Nike down 2.35, Walmart down 1.51, eBay 1.24, and then Procter and Gamble 1.16, guys. So that is the top stocks that were up and down. We have Bitcoin really trying to hopefully make a run for it. Tom Lee has bullish outlook for the end of January, I believe, such as other analysts as well. But we see this very big decline from the high of what looks like 125-ish level, and we currently see it at 88,400. We could see this come down more too. You never know, guys. You never know what crypto is going to do here, but that is Bitcoin. So we went over SPY, went over Bitcoin. Let's go over now our, arrived. We have our total dividends at 33.85 here. We got the vacation rental 94% into the Stranger Things, Airbnb, and we have cash at 6%, guys. So 533.85 account balance. We have our Go mining, guys. Let's see what we have. So we don't count this. We have 16 terahash. We have 24 days left, which is nice. We could get that extra 16 terahash, but we have 1591 terahash here for our miner that we that gives us satoshis every single day, guys, every single day. So we got that. Obviously we have 106 subscribers here on YouTube, 362 videos. And guys, if you like content, you like finance, you like investing, and following our journey, consider subscribing, and then consider smashing the like button on this video. Also, if you want to get over to the Discord, go over mogufellas.com to check out how to be a member, guys. So we're gonna end it with some news, and we're not gonna go over the eBay store. We haven't started that yet, and then the merch we will get going here soon. Hopefully, if not this week because of Christmas, we're going to get it going in 2026. 2026, we want to dive into a lot of stuff. Crypto, mining, we got real estate, we got merch, we got a lot of stuff that we want to focus on in 2026. But let's go over the news, guys, here for this week. So let's just go over some stuff. Obviously, like reading, it's going to be too much. If you guys want to go to CNBC live updates, I'll post this in the description below. Pretty much, S&P rose today, supported by a rise in artificial intelligence names to start a shortened holiday week. Key stocks linked to artificial intelligence offered a boost to the broader market. Nvidia shares moved higher by more than 1% after Reuters said that the company is looking to begin shipments of its H200 chips to China by mid-February. Meanwhile, Micron Technology grew 4%, while Oracle advanced more than 3%, guys. What else here? Wall Street coming off a mixed week. However, we got investors on watch to see whether AI can retain their leadership heading into the year end, especially as investors rotate into cheaper parts of the market amid concerns about lofty tech valuations. There's also doubt about whether a Santa Claus rally will materialize as the S&P 500 struggles to hold a key technical level. And what else, guys? A bunch of quotes here. If you guys want to read that. The New York Stock Exchange, we do have a short week this week. We'll close early on Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 o'clock California time, where we're at, on Christmas Eve, and then we'll be closed Thursday for Christmas Day, guys. So short week this week. If you guys don't know that, now you do. We want to go over RX. our X post. So, the market is showing positive momentum with the S&P 500 hovering near record levels as investors brace for the official Santa rally window starting December 24th. That will go till January 2nd. Tech leads momentum into the Christmas trading week. All we want for Christmas is new all-time highs, guys. So thought that was cool. We thought this was cool too. We did this a couple days ago. The growth of $1 since 1926. You guys can see, this chart is insane. We got this from, looks like Covenant Wealth Advisors. We typed it into Grok, and this is what chart it gave us. So the growth of $1 since 1926, guys, that would be worth $17K with $1 invested in the S&P 500. Obviously, people that were investing in 1926 are probably not still alive right now, but it shows you the power of stocks. And then obviously there's inflation here, and that $1 to 18 with inflation. And then we have the 10-year Treasury bond. That'd be your $1 would be $1.12, guys, if you had it in a 10-year Treasury bond. So yeah, guys, we obviously we did see Tesla reach all-time highs. We posted that. We posted Dan Ives, SpaceX planning to IPO here. So yeah, come follow us on X here. So that is our X. So that pretty much wraps up our session. We are trying to get all-time highs here, and we'll see if it does. We'll tune in to you next week to see the status on that, guys. So that is pretty much session 114. If you guys want to subscribe here, please consider subscribing. It'll really help out the channel. Please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Till next time, guys, hit the outro.